Okay, today is, what is today? Today is November 23, 2022. Hope that you can see that, okay? And this is what I bought. Let's see here, let's get myself over in front of this thing. Okay, there we go. So, alright, I bought this, and it came with, or it's supposed to come with these 110 to 145, and show up well, good. It's supposed to be like that. The 110 to 145 and all that. So then the 40 to 135 and the 75 to 100. But what I'm really interested in is the 2mm 110 to 145. Okay, so and this is just the other pictures that they put in this happy little thing. Right, so there's 100 so many pieces. Great. So now without further ado, I'm going to put the thing down here. All right. It might be the most boring video you've ever seen. We don't know, but there we go. Now I'm going to put this so I can see this. All right, great. So now, okay, great. So, and we may have to. Okay, well here's the package that came in. All right, so like that. Get some scissors. Okay. So I'll get some scissors. Let's open this up because this is a rather thick package. All right. And this came from, well, let's see, it came from there, okay, so that's all we know, all right, and we're just going to rip into it, and we've got, okay, so we got two big packages of, so, well, made in China, okay, like that. Here's another one, right, that's sealed, so we've got two packages like that, alright, and then, can we, I guess not. Okay, so we'll just open one of these packages here, and it's supposed to be, well, who knows what it's supposed to be. We're going to find out what it's supposed to be. Alright, so here is all the, oh good. So, okay, wow. Oh boy. Okay, these are flat belts, and these are rather massive belts, and these are, okay, well, these are the, well, okay, this is a, okay, so 2mm, 75 to 100. That's what it says right there, okay? Right, and then this one is, this doesn't say, but this is flat belts, okay, and it's got that on the front, alright? And this one is 20 of the 145 size up to one, okay, so 20 of the up to 140 size belts, alright, so now I'm guessing the other package is going to be the same. Like I said, these feel to be rather thick, but I'm going to find out here right now. Just get into that. Yeah, these are, oh boy. So there we go. All right. These are, oh boy, these are extra thick. Oh boy. Yeah, these are, damn, not what I was expecting. These are like, okay. Oh boy. Well, I was going to measure these, but they're actually too big. The flat belts, well, okay. And then this smaller package is the 2mm, 75 to 100. Oh, shucks. Okay, these are going to be too big a diameter. Well, oh my, I don't know. Okay, well those are just too big. I was expecting, I guess, okay, I need to read these better. This one says 2 millimeter, well I really need 1 millimeter, that's what I should have gotten. 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter, okay. Let's see if I'm 2 millimeter. I should have gotten the ones that say 1 millimeter. That's where I made my mistake. Okay, well, all right. Let's see what the flat belts are, because I'm sure I can use the flat belts for something. So here we go. There's flat belts. All right, so okay, so now these are all right, definitely flat and definitely okay. Yeah, that's nice. You got some stretchy to them. Okay, great. So, all right, and then yeah. So there's some Sanyos out there that I know that well, there we go, really tiny stuff. Good grief. All right, so yeah. All right, well, all right. So these bigger ones, yeah. Yeah, I have. Okay, so these will definitely work. Let's see here. Let me move the camera. Well, let me just move this over. It's a lot easier than trying to move the camera. Let's just move this over here. Okay. So here's, well, I'll do it upside down, however, so you can see it. All right, so here. So there's that. And then we'll just get a, what do we got here? We got this over that, right? And we'll just see if we can read this upside down. So that's about a 11.5 centimeters. Okay, so it's 11.5, and then we've got another, well that's nearly 12, okay, that's just a fraction bigger than that one, and this is going to be about 11.5 again. Okay. I'm not going to measure every single cut and pick and belt here, but I do want to get a, let's see here, so those are going to be about 11 or so. Okay. So here's a smaller belt, right? Like I remember that the Sanyos take about a 4-inch belt. Come on now, behave. There we go. So now, so that's about a 3.5-inch belt. Okay. And we have a another 3.5-inch roughly. All right, and then we're back to the bigger belt. Let's see here. This is a yeah, I think the only things that are going to be usable out of this is going to be the flat belts, not the other belts, because they're just too thick. Might be able to use them in some Hitachis. So here's one nearly 12 centimeters. Okay. And then we have some, here's some smaller ones. Right, here's a smaller one. Alright, so I got, well, fine. And, that's going to be, that's about 8 centimeters. Okay, great. And then, alright, and then, so 8 centimeters, and this is going to be, again, about 11. Okay. So then, what, this is going to be about 8 or 8.5. Okay, 7.5. Alright, well, I'll be able to use some of these for sure. Got a lot of them. I got 2 packages of them. Now the this smaller package here is the last package to open. This is the again 2 millimeter 75 to 100. Right, so let's see what we got here. Guess I need to look for 1 millimeter belts. Alright, so here we go. There's this one here. It's that. And these are, again, just too heavy. Darn. Alright, well, they're nice, they're square, they're relatively flat. Okay, but they're just too thick. Darn. Alright, I need to look for 1 millimeter. Darn things. Okay, well, I'm not going to return these, but they're just too heavy for what I need to do this for, so I'm going to just end this here and, okay. Go and research again and try to find another, yeah, here's a whole other package of the same thing. Okay, great, so, is that right? Alright, so this is the same part number, right? Yeah, wait, they got upside down. So it's G378, belt 90 pieces, G378, 9. Okay, yep, that's what it is. Alright, well, I've had too much fun. Okay, I don't want to bore you to death. Let me just, yep, you can see all that. Alright, so thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye.